Okay, hello everyone. Let's solve this question. Okay, this is the third part of the series of videos, previous two videos. This is the third part that we'll be solving here. That is, over here two vectors are given. One is A vector and another is B vector. In the previous videos, we had taken out A and B at point P, and then we had taken out the component of A along B at point P. Okay. Now we are going to find out the unit vector in cylindrical coordinates perpendicular to both A and B at P. Okay, so what is a vector that is perpendicular to both A and B? Well, the cross product. If you do the cross product of two vectors, you'll get another vector which is perpendicular to which are perpendicular to each other. Okay, all the three vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Okay, first thing is cross product, okay, but then it says unit vector. So for taking out unit vector, what should I do? I must divide it by the magnitude. So for unit vector, you always do that, the vector divided by its magnitude, then you get a unit vector. Okay, that's okay. Then next problem is, one is in cylindrical coordinates, another is in spherical coordinates. What should I do? Let me do one thing. Let me convert say A vector in cylindrical form. A is in cylindrical form. Let me convert B in cylindrical form. Okay, from spherical to cylindrical, let me do it. Okay, then it will be easier for me. Okay, so what is B vector? B vector is given over here. Okay, this is 3.6 AR cap minus 23.29 A theta cap. Okay, let me write it over here. B vector is 3.6 AR cap minus 23.29 A theta cap. Alright. Then next is B rho, B phi, BZ. Okay. To convert it into cylindrical coordinate. BR, B theta, B phi. Okay. So what should I write over here? This is first thing will be sine theta. Then next rho and phi, this is 0, this one is 1, this is 0, this is this one will be cos theta. Okay, then this one will be a cos theta. Then here I should write minus sine theta. Okay, so this is 0, 0. Okay, then this is 3.6, this one is minus 23.29, this one is 0. Okay, so take out your calculators. Well, theta we had taken out in the previous video. It is 31 degrees we had got. So this is minus 23.29 cos 31 degrees. Put it in your calculator. And what is it you're getting? Well, I got minus 18.109. Then B phi I can write it directly 0. Okay, because it's the same over here. B phi. Then BZ will be 3.6 cos 31 degrees plus, those minus plus 23.29 sine 31 degrees. Put it in your calculator and you get 15.08. Okay, so my B vector is this much I'm getting. Okay, A rho cap, then plus 15.08 A z cap. Okay, now A cross B is what I need to take out for this question. Okay, now it's simplified because I know it all. Okay, I know it all. This is 109, this one is 0, this 15.08, and what is A's coordinate? Let me go up and check. Well, A is 3 minus 3.28 and minus 129.6. Let me write it here. 3 minus 3.328 minus 129.6. Okay, now if I have to calculate this, just cross multiply, do it, and over here you'll get something like this. Then A phi, multiply it. Okay, you're getting this minus 2299.22. Solve it with me so that you can also check whether you are getting it or not. Okay, then this one you got something like this. Okay, so so this is what you got. minus 50.18 A rho cap plus 2299.22 A phi cap minus 60.203 A z cap, and we have to take out the unit vector. So just simply divide it by its magnitude. Okay, so what is the magnitude? 50.18 square plus this square plus this square. Okay, so take out your calculators, solve it. Okay, solve it. 2299.22 A phi cap minus 60.203 A z cap. Okay, so if you use your calculators, then what is it you're getting? Oh, well, I'm getting something like this. A rho cap plus 0.99 A phi cap minus 0.0261 A z cap. Okay, this is what I am getting. This is my answer to this last question in cylindrical coordinates. I took out a vector, a unit vector that is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, thank you for this video.